Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a logo onto your Wix website. It's really easy to do, but before we get started, I'm just going to let you guys know I do have a full Wix playlist with tons of tutorials and tricks that you could use to help you grow on Wix and to get your website going. So yeah, I just have the link in the description as well as in the comments, but for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a logo. So all you have to do to add a logo is start off on your homepage here and then go down to settings on the left side of the screen, click on settings, and then you want to go down to general info, which is just under settings here. Click on general info, and then you will see under basic info, you have an option to add an image or change your logo. So all you want to do is just click on add logo, and then you just have to go on your either site files or over to your desktop by clicking on upload media. And then you just want to click on a photo or upload a photo. Once you pick one, you just want to click on it and then click on choose file, and then it will replace your logo for your website. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.